Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now we will do top 5 bird sanctuary where they located. It will come in your annual exam in class 9. First bird sanctuary is located in Himachal Pradesh, and the name of this bird sanctuary is Rajaji Bird Sanctuary. Okay, Rajaji Bird Sanctuary. And the second bird sanctuary is located in Rajasthan. The name of this bird sanctuary is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. And the third bird sanctuary located in Karnataka, and the name of third bird sanctuary is Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. Okay, remember this name, Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary. Fourth bird sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu coast, and the name of this bird sanctuary is, can you guess the name? Can you guess the name of this bird sanctuary? Point Koilinur Bird Sanctuary. Point Koilinur Bird Sanctuary. Okay, and the fifth bird sanctuary is Chilika Lake Bird Sanctuary, and that is located in Odisha. Thank you. If you will think this video is more informative for you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Here is available all notes for class 10th.